Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to log in or sign in to your Wells Fargo account in the easiest way possible. This works on both phone and computer. Let's get started. Open your Wells Fargo app. If you don't have it, go to App Store, search for Wells Fargo and download it. After that, in the sign on box, type your username. This is the username you created when you first registered your Wells Fargo account online. If you forgot your username, click on forgot username and follow the instruction to recover it. Next, type your password in password field. Make sure your caps lock is off and there is no extra space. If you forgot your password, click forgot password and follow the step to reset it safely. Wells Fargo may ask for extra security verification to protect your account. You might get a security code through text message, email, or the Wells Fargo app. Enter the code when prompted to continue. Once your username, password, and security code are entered, tap on sign on. You will now be taken to your account dashboard where you can see check balance, view transaction, transfer money, pay bills, manage your account. Here are some useful tips. Always use the official app or website to stay safe. Never share your password with anyone. Update the app if it doesn't open. Check your internet connection if the website doesn't load. You can also use mobile data if your Wi-Fi is not working. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in next one.